When you walk along the dock in a marina, some yachts just make you stop in your tracks. It's not always the largest yacht, it's not always the flashiest yacht. For me, it's those classic white-hulled sailing yachts that just ooze with character and make you wonder about their history, what oceans they have sailed and what sights they have seen. Usually, if they look to be well cared for, there is a loving owner behind them and a story to be told. That is certainly the case with the Bermudan schooner ARMIDE, built in 1938. My yacht broker colleague Charles Herve told me all about her.
ARMIDE is a schooner built in Marseille, in France, in 1938. Hull is made of iroquois wood on oak frames with mahogany superstructure and oak spars. ARMIDE was rebuilt upon original drawings, but there have been some adaptations to the general arrangement to increase the headroom, to create an extra cabin aft and strengthening of the hull. Once you're on pass rail, you are on main deck and you will find the doghouse, which is the main cockpit opposite the steering wheel, where you can find all the navigation equipment and some very nice sofas to enjoy the sailing. A little bit forward, you will find two skylights and a very nice mahogany cabinetry. You will see the two oak masts, the new standing rigging, which is stainless steel, as well as the new sails by Incident Sails and the all-new running rigging as well. Back in the doghouse, you will find some very comfortable stairs down to the inside area. Beneath the stairs is an access to the engine room. There are actually three main accesses to the engine room, which is great as it makes the maintenance much easier. One of these accesses is in the twin cabin aft, where the crew sleeps and where you can find all the navigation equipment repeated. There is a big access in this cabin to access the engine from the other side. When you open this, you can find a brand new generator, a brand new engine, all the pumps, all the stuff you have in the engine room is new and it smells like new actually. You move forward, you find the chart table on port side, as well as a dining area on port side. Opposite is the sofa with very nice galley behind you. Moving forward again, you will find a very comfortable double guest cabin, ensuite. And moving forward again, you will find twin cabin. ARMIDE was not built as a race boat, but more as a comfortable, seaworthy, classing schooner. Saying that, and given the amount that was spent by the owners on the rebuild, including new sail and new rigging, I am sure that she would perform very well on the regatta circuit.
If you, like me, are impressed with the images of this yacht, both outside and inside, you won't be surprised to hear that this is the result of a concerted effort on the part of the current owner. Charles is well informed on this subject and is absolutely the right person to contact if you have an interest in purchasing her.
ARMIDE was entirely rebuilt for €6 million by real passionate owners whose objective were to bring ARMIDE back in formal glory. New doghouse, new teak deck, new diesel engine, new generator, new navigation equipment, new sails, new rigging, new bow thruster and new electrical system. When we sat with the owners for a cup of coffee, they were understandably proud to share with us all the documentation they have available in the boat and the history of the entire project. If you are a buyer, this will definitely reassure you about the quality of this rebuild. Another very important point to me is that all the project was managed by the very well-known specialists Classic Work in La Ciotat, which ironically is just a few kilometers away from where the boat was born, in Marseille, and I think it is very romantic. All these points makes ARMIDE capable of undergoing extensive cruising and race. There is absolutely nothing to do on board apart from regular maintenance. If you are interested in ARMIDE, please do not hesitate to contact me. You will find all my contact details at the end of the video. Me and the crew and the owners would be more than happy to welcome you on board in the south of France, near Marseille.